Hey sweets, it's Bree and I'm back with another video. This look is going to be inspired by BRATZ dolls and my interpretation of that. I grew up with the BRATZ dolls. I love them. I had a few. I don't know where they are now, but let's get into this look. We're going to start with the James Charles palette, and using a beauty blender, we're going to use the P. Louise eyeshadow base all over our lid in the color 0.5. Digging back into the James Charles palette, we're going to use the darkest green, and we're going to put this color right in our lid in a half circle shape, and we're going to blend that up very softly. So we're just going to make sure you just want to really softly blend that out before putting a lime green right on top. It's going to change the color a little bit to a lighter green. That way we get that ombre effect, and we're just going to go back in with the dark green in that crease color once we blend that on both eyes. Once we get that ombre and all blended, we're going to go in with this peacock blue right in that area as well, the same area we put the green. And we're going to do that on both sides, kind of going out in a wing shape, in a more of a half circle, but kind of straightened out at the tail. To reinforce the blend, we're going to go back in with a dark green, just like we did before, and then on top of that, the lime green, just to make sure the blend is really detailed. And we're going to go in with this very pearl color, but it actually comes out green, so it's perfect for this look. I'll put all the palettes that I use down below. So of course, we're going back in with the P. Louise to carve that crease. So to add some drama to this look, even though we already have the drama going on, we're going to make this into a wing, almost like liner, to really make this a dramatic look. If you're like me and you're detailed about a cut crease, it might take you a little bit longer, but practice is perfect. Just keep pushing through. You got it. So using the same palette, which is the Violet VOSS Rainbow palette, I'm going to use the color FIJI on this cut crease. Of course, when we finish, we're going to move to the next eye. Moving on, we're going to use the Anastasia gel liner in the color Jet. And we're going to line this look. And we're going to finish it off. Do the other eye. And I kind of made a few mistakes, so I cleaned it up with a foundation. Now I'm going to bronze it up with my MORPHE Brontour in the color Showmance. So I bronzed my lips to make them look fuller for the BRATZ doll effect, and I'm using the James Charles palette, the darkest brown, to line my lips, and then I'm going to fill it in with a Fenty Glow gloss. It's the universal lip glue. This is one of my Christmas gifts. I absolutely love this gloss. To highlight, I'm using the Killawatt Freestyle highlighter duo in Girl Next Door and Chic Freak, but I'm only using Chic Freak. Last but not least, it's time to add a lash. We're using the Sugar and Spice Hug collection in the style Vixen, and also we're using some bottom lashes to finish this look out. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the finished look. I love how the blue pops and the green in the background helps pop. I love colors that are really similar to each other and looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And also just know that the Sugar and Spice lashes are owned by moi. And if you want to purchase, they are available online, links below. And by the way, I'm the CEO of Limitless, and we are giving a 2K giveaway featuring Rooter Beauty Co. and Sugar and Spice. Want to learn more? Well, follow the links below. I will put all the links to the palettes and everything that I use, as well as our social medias and how you can enter the giveaway. Until next time, bye-bye.